Hi. Since you all are starting drawing, it's good to know some of the brush and tools that are there. So I'll go off with the pencil tool. And in pencil tool, you have different sizes. So you can go in, say you created a thin stroke. Now this stroke is based on, this is called the object mode and non-object mode. So we're going to talk about that. So this is your straighten, or say I draw a rectangle and it will fix it. So this mode will fix it, and then say you draw something like this, it is going to fix it as much as possible to straighten it out. Smooth is basically, it tries to make the round curve more smoother than what you're drawing. So you can't create a circle with smooth, you can create a circle with the, so you try to draw a kind of a, if you're not good in drawing, you can draw like a circle like that. So smooth will come as close as possible to correct it, but it won't give you the exact result of finished circle or something like that. Ink does not make any changes. Whatever you draw is going to keep it as it is. So you have to remember that you are in 3 different modes for drawing. So it corrects you. If you draw a straight line, it will correct you and make the straight line. Now, if you change the strokes, it will give you a very good straight line, depending on your strokes. So these are paths, basically. And within that style, you have different types of style. So if you click on this, you get the straight style. And then you're getting the straight style. Then you can change how the brush looks. So I can make a leaf just like that. And then you have different options that are out there. So I can change the color. And then depending on the shape you're taking, it will create, and the sizes that you're working with is going to correct that. Then you can also get, with one stroke of your, you can create a triangle. So you can press Command Z to get rid of everything. Again, depending on your size that you're taking. You can curve, you can get different shapes. So the difference between an object and, say I go back to, so you can just keep it to normal. You can do vertical, and it all depends on how you're working. And hinting keeps the stored anchor of full pixel to prevent blurry lines, so you won't get any blurry line with that. So remember that within this style you have different ways of drawing also. For example, this will give you a different line altogether. So you can see that depending on the size of the stroke, and you can also edit the strokes. So I'm just giving you the basics uh, of what you can do in different. This is a classic example of how your strokes are coming out. So when you zoom in, you'll be able to see some of the changes that are happening. So it's a lot of fun what you can do with the pencil tool. And the difference between what do you call an object drawing mode and non-object drawing mode is that when you create a line or something like that and you click on it, if it is a non-object drawing mode, it will not show a line around it. So this is the difference between, if you click here, nothing happens. You can change the shapes. And this is confined to a square. So because it's on path, you can make different shapes and move it around. You can animate it also. So there are a lot of fun that you can do with the pencil tool. So pencil tool, again, let me repeat this. You have the straighten, smooth, and ink. Ink does not change anything. Smooth tries to smooth a bit the curves, and straighten tries to make it into what you call full rectangle or sphere and make it as perfect as possible. So these are the parameters, and then you have the style. In style, you'll find different types of styles in your strokes, and then the width. So if you go to normal, you'll get the width of it, of different types of width that you find over here. And these are the end caps and the edge of the line that you'll find. These are the joint caps, different types of joint caps that you'll find. So right now, basically, you get the hang of it. You can change the size of your strokes and how it looks depending on the shape again. Hope this helps for your pencil tool. Thank you.